So previous day we have done up to question number 11 of 7.4, exercise number 7.4. Today we will solve from question number 12. What is the problem? Integration 1 by root over 7 minus 6x minus x square. Now the expression that is within the square root sign, you have to make it in terms of two squares, either in the addition form or in subtraction form. So make it into two squares. So 7 minus 6x minus x square. So 7, then minus is taken common, x square plus 6x. So 7 minus x square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square minus 9. Now it will be 16 minus x plus 3 whole square. Isn't it? Check it. Check it. Do it in your copy and check it. So it will be 4 square minus, so integration 1 by root over 4 square minus x plus 3 whole square dx. Okay. I am erasing this portion. Now put here z equals to x plus 3. So dz equals to dx. dz equals to dx. That means integration dz by root over 4 square minus z square. Okay. What is the formula? After doing the integration, it will be sin inverse z by 4 plus c. Now put the value of z here. Sin inverse x plus 3 by 4 plus c. That's it. Any queries? Any queries regarding this one? Done. I got your response, Akash. Shubhajit, your response? Shubhajit, respond. So move on to question number 13. Integration 1 by root over x minus 1 into x minus 2. So it will be integration 1 by root over, do the multiplication, x square minus 3x plus 2 x square minus 3x plus 2. Now make them into two squares. It will be x square minus 2 into x into 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 whole square plus 2 minus 9 by 4. That means x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. So it will be integration 1 by root over x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square dx. Can I erase the upper portion? Now we will put z equals to x minus 3 by 2. That means dz equals to dx. So it will be integration dz by root over z square minus 1 by 2 whole square. Now do the integration. After doing the integration, it will be log of mod z plus root over z square minus 1 by 4 mod completed plus c. Put the value of z here. Put the value of z here. Log mod x minus 3 by 2 plus root over x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4 mod completed plus c. Is it done? Is it done? Akash, Shubhajit? Okay. Can I erase the board? Can I erase the board? Can I erase the board? So move on to question number 14. That is integration 1 by root over 8 plus 3x minus x square dx. 1 by root over 8 plus 3x minus x square dx. Again make them into two squares. This portion 8 plus 3x minus x square. That means 8, then minus is taken common, x square minus 3x within the bracket, then 8 minus x square minus 2 into x into 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 9 by 4. That means (41 by 4) minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Isn't it? Akash and Subhajit, check the calculation. 41 by 4 minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Isn't it? So it will be integration 1 by root over 41 by 4 minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square dx. Okay. Now I am erasing this portion, the manipulation portion. Now put here z equals to x minus 3 by 2. So dz equals to dx. that means integration dz by root over then root 41 by 2 whole square minus z square. Okay. Now what will be the formula? That is sine inverse. After doing the integration, it will be sine inverse z by root 41 by 2 plus c. That means sine inverse 2z by root 41 plus c. Now put the value of z. Sine inverse two x minus 3 by root 41 plus c. Is it all right? So move on to question number 15. That is integration 1 by root over x minus a into x minus b dx. So it will be x square minus a plus b x plus ab after multiplying dx by root over x square minus a plus b into x plus ab. Now again do the manipulation. After manipulation, it will be x minus a plus b by 2 whole square. Just do it yourself, minus a minus b by 2 whole square. Just do it yourself, this portion. So integration dx by root over x minus a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. Akash, have you done it in your copy, this manipulation portion? X minus a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. Have you done this portion? Now take the first portion as z. So put here z equals to x minus a plus b by 2. So dz equals to dx. So it will be integration dz by root over z square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. Okay. So the formula will be log of after doing the integration, it will be log of mod z plus root over z square minus a minus b by 2 whole square mod completed plus c. Now put the value of z here. Log of mod x minus a plus b by 2, then plus root over x minus a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square mod completed plus c. Isn't it? Is it all right? Is it all right? So move on to question number 16. Question number 16, that is integration 4x plus 1 by root over two x square plus x minus 3. So put here z square equals to 2x square plus x minus 3. That means 2z dz after doing the differential equals to 4x plus 1 then dx. So instead of 4x plus 1 dx, it will be 2z dz. Okay, instead of 4x plus 1, it will be 2z dz. Now in the denominator it will be only z. Z will be cancelled out here. So 2z plus c. Just put the value of z, 2 root over 2x square plus x minus 3 plus c. Is it done? I am not doing the problem by the orthodox or traditional method. It is by the inspection method actually. You are just manipulating this portion, not by the traditional method. Is this clear? Is it clear? Hello? Can I erase this one? Question number 16 done. Can I move on to 17? Can I move on to 17? That is integration x plus 2 by root over x square minus 1 dx. Okay, put here z square equals to x square minus 1. That means 2z dz equals to 2x dx. 2 will be cancelled out. So z dz equals to x dx. Now I am separating into two integrals. So x dx by root over x square minus 1 plus 2 into dx by root over x square minus 1. Now for the first integral, this putting is for the first integral actually. For the first integral. For the first integral, x dx means z dz by root over x square minus 1 means z, plus the second one will be remain unchanged. Here z is cancelled out, so the first one is only z and second one 2 log mod x plus root over x square minus 1 mod completed plus c. Put the value of z here. Put the value of z here. So root over x square minus 1 plus 2 log mod x plus root over x square minus 1 mod completed plus c. This is the answer of question number 17. Is it clear? Akash, I got your response. Subhajit, respond. Move on to question number 18. That is integration 5x minus 2 by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. Now, first of all, put z equals to 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. So dz equals to 6x plus 2 then dx. Okay. So we have to make here 6x plus 2. First of all, take 5 common. It will be x minus 2 by 5 by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. Then multiply with 6. Therefore, here will be 1 by 6. So that is 5 by 6 integration 6x minus 12 by 5 by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. Okay. I am erasing the first line. Actually, first two lines. That means 5 by 6 integration 6x plus 2. I am making here 6x plus 2. Then minus 2 minus 12 by 5 by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. So it will be 5 by 6 integration 6x plus 2 then minus 22 by 5 by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. So 5 by 6 integration 6x plus 2 by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx minus it is 5 by 6 into 22 by 5. So it will be 11 by 3. So 11 by 3 integration dx by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. So for the first integral we have taken here, for first integral we have taken here z equal to this one and dz 6x plus 2 dx. I am erasing the first two lines again. So the first integral become 5 by 6 dz by z minus 11 by 3 dx by, you have to make it into squares. Just make them into squares. 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. Make them into squares. It will be 3 into x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus root 2 by 3 whole square. X plus 1 by 3 whole square plus root 2 by 3 whole square. Now do the integration. So it will be 5 by 6 log of mod z minus 11 by 9 into 1 by a, that means 3 by root 2 tan inverse x plus 1 by 3 by root 2 by 3 plus c. So 5 by 6 log, put the value of z here, 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus, it is 11 by 3 root 2 tan inverse 3x plus 1 by root 2 plus c. Very important one. This problem is very important. Is it all right? Is it all right? Akash and Subhajit, response? Any queries regarding this problem? Question number 18. Very important one. So we have done today up to question number 18. In the next class, we will be back again here and we will solve from question number 19. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.